Good morning, students. Today, in class of 9, we discuss about the a topic that is called average speed. That is called a speed, in which we want to give you some concept regarding speed, also related with that speed, average speed, uniform speed, and non-uniform speed. So these are the terms today we will discuss. So as this speed we have already learned in class 7 what it does, what is the meaning of speed. A body is in motion, how much it travels in a given time intervals, how much distance it travels in a given time interval, that is called speed. Suppose a body is here and moving, it has a distance, it has covered a distance of 40 kilometers in a given 1 hour. So its speed is distance by time. It means 40 kilometer per hour by 1 hour, and it becomes 40 kilometer per hour. So it is a speed. It is generally its concept is generally related with the mathematically here. A body is in motion, and from this terms of speed we want to tell about the body that it how much it moves fast or slow, that depends upon its speed. So this is all about the concept of the कोई बॉडी जो है जब मूव करता है तो कितना तेज या कितना स्लो चलेगा, ये किस चीज पे डिपेंड करता है? स्पीड पे डिपेंड करता है। और इसको हम चाहें तो स्पीड निकाल सकते हैं, उसके लिए फॉर्मूला हम सबों को है, स्पीड बराबर होता है डिस्टेंस बाय टाइम। और स्पीड अगर 40 किलोमीटर है, अगर डिस्टेंस जो है 1 घंटे में 40 किलोमीटर ट्रेवल करता है कोई, तो उसका स्पीड निकालने के लिए 40 बाई 1 आवर कर दें तो हमको निकल जाएगा 40 किलोमीटर पर आवर। और इस तरह से हम चाहेंगे तो किसी भी मूविंग बॉडी का स्पीड कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं। So this is all about the concept of speed. But related to that speed, we have different type of speed also, like average speed. Sometimes we see that the body is moving or traveling longer distance, and it also takes lots of time. So, and during the traveling, the movement of the body is not equal in every equal time interval. So for that we want to calculate the average speed of the body. Like if a body is moving from A to B, its speed is 40 kilometer in 1 hour. Again B to C, its speed is 50 kilometer per hour. Again we see C to D, its speed is 20 kilometer per hour. So we see that the distance travel in every hour is different, and for that we want to calculate average speed. And how does we calculate average speed? We have a formula. Average speed equal to total distance by total time. So we have a distances in a first hour 40 kilometer, in a second hour 50 kilometer, in a third hour 20 kilometer. So first we calculate and find out the total distance, and then we have a total time 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. So total time is 3 hour. So first you calculate 40 and 50, 90 and 20, 110 kilometer in 3 hours, and when you calculate, you got the some decimal points value. So this is the average speed of the body. You can calculate just average speed of the body, and this is 110 by 3 kilometer per hour. This is the average speed of the any body. But now, so this is all about the average speed. From the average speed, we can calculate the distance in a 1 hour when the body moving in a different distances in a different time intervals. So this is all about the average speed. Now we can say that another uniform speed or non-uniform speed. Non-uniform speed. Suppose we know the concept of speed. Speed means distance travel. Speed means different distance travel in unit time interval. So it is speed, but a body that moves longer distance and every time interval, unit time interval, it travels equal distances. Like in the first hour, it travels 40 kilometer. In second hour, it again travels 40 kilometer. In third hour, it again travels 40 kilometers. So we see that in every hours, the distance is same. If the body has such a speed, then the body has uniform speed, because every time interval the body travels equal time interval. So it is known as uniform speed. But if another example, like a body that moves 20 km per hour, second hour it travels 30 km per hour, and in third hour it travels 50 kilometer. So you see that every hour or every unit time the distance travel is different. So a body that travel at unequal distance in a equal time interval, that body has non-uniform motion, non-uniform speed और motion. ऐसे बॉडी को कहते हैं नॉन यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड, या ऐसे बॉडी में जो मूवमेंट करता है उसको हम लोग नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन या स्पीड कहते हैं. तो ये सभी जो है आज हम आपको स्पीड से रिलेटेड टर्म्स के बारे में बताया. आप सभी को पता है. अगले दिन आप इस पे आपके बुक में बहुत सारे न्यूमेरिकल्स हैं जो 7th में भी किए थे. उस न्यूमेरिकल्स को एटलीस्ट 5 से 6 न्यूमेरिकल्स जो है आप अपने फेयर कॉपी पर इससे रिलेटेड बनाएंगे. थैंक यू.